Good afternoon, everyone. I am currently standing at the Great Western Trail in Villa Park, Illinois. That's not where this ride is going, though. I just wanted to show you guys the actual proximity to what we're doing here. So this would be the eastern side. You could take this quite a bit west. I'll put down, I don't remember the actual mileage offhand. I'll put that down at the bottom. We're gonna head down this way here and then access the Illinois Prairie Path, and this is as far east as I've gone on it, and the ride today is taking it from Villa Park all the way to where it ends in Maywood, at which time we're just going to turn around and head back. It's a short ride. I think the round trip is around 14 miles. All right, so let's check it out. I want to see where the Prairie Path ends. Okay, so we just got on the Prairie Path here. As I said, our goal is to head east this way. Earlier in the year, I did the northern segment of the Salt Creek Trail headed north. If you've seen that video, basically you go this way and then continue down this way and you're on the Salt Creek Trail. You could take that all the way up to Bussy Woods, and then you could do the loop there and then make your way back down. It's a good ride. If you're interested in checking out that ride, go ahead and click that info card above. Okay, so we've reached First Avenue, the end of the Illinois Prairie Path on the east side. and we're just gonna make our way back to Villa Park.